Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia and in this video I'll be reviewing Topbox. Topbox is a Canadian beauty subscription box. It costs $15 a month plus tax, and each month you receive at least 4 beauty products which can vary from travel size to full size. And I've been subscribed to Topbox for 8 months now, so I got quite a few of these. And in this video I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this service, show you some of the products that I got, and by the end of the video you'll be able to decide for yourself if you think it's worth it or not. The way it works is you sign up on their website and complete your profile where you can check off your preferences and fill out your personal details like your skin type, your hair type, your skin color, and so on. And based on that, you'll be receiving different products every month because not every person gets the same products. They're kind of tailored to your needs, but every month the products are a surprise, so you never know exactly what you're going to get. Every month you also get an email that offers you to complete a wish list for your next Topbox. So basically, instead of the regular Topbox with 4 surprise products, you can choose a so-called private Topbox where you will have one specific beauty product that you know in advance. So for example, it can be a full-size product by a luxury brand which normally costs more than $15, but with Topbox you'll get it at that price. But sometimes the options are weird, like it could be 5 Smashbox primers which are exactly the same, and that's going to be your Topbox. So usually I don't go with the private Topboxes. I prefer to get the regular box with 4 products that I don't know in advance, so it's more fun to get them as a surprise. And even if you select the private Topbox, it's not guaranteed, because if it's a popular product and there's a lot of people who want that specific item, there may not be enough for everyone, so you never know exactly what you're going to get. You get charged on the 20th of each month for the next month, and with the tax it ends up being closer to $17, and then it gets shipped on the 15th of the month when you're supposed to get it. So for example, the June box will be shipped on the 15th of June, so you'll actually end up getting your box closer to the end of the month. But it doesn't really bother me personally, because as long as I keep getting them consistently, it can be in the end of the month, and that's totally fine. The box looks like this. It's a fully recyclable cardboard box, so it's very eco-friendly, and it has some paper inside, so it really feels like getting a nice cute gift. And so far I received a mix of skincare, makeup, and nail products, although when you fill out your profile on the website it also asks you about your hair needs, like if you have dryness or split ends or whatnot. But I haven't received a single hair product yet, so mostly the products have been tailored toward your face and your nails. Now for the actual products, personally I'm happy with them about half the time, so like every other box, but that will vary from person to person, because for example, if I get a nail polish in my box, I won't be excited about it because normally I use gel nail polish just because it lasts better on my nails. But if you use nail polish, then this will be something that you will like. So it really varies and depends on your personal preferences and the kinds of products that you normally use. So now I'll show you some examples of products I received that I really liked, and other products that were kind of disappointing. And I actually posted some of my older Topboxes on my Instagram, so be sure to check there and consider following me too. In my first Topbox, I got this face foam by Graydon, and this is actually amazing value because it's full size and it retails for $33, so just the cost of this one product covers the entire cost of the box twice. And the product is actually really good too because it's formulated for sensitive skin, and I have acne-prone skin, and this is unscented, it has great ingredients, and it just has worked so well for my skin so far, and I really love this product. And I actually have never heard about this brand before getting Topbox, so if not for Topbox, I wouldn't have tried such a good product for my skin. In another box, I got this mini pressed powder by Benefit. It's called Hello Happy, and they sent me a light color which is close enough to my skin tone. So I've been wearing this powder. It's a pretty basic matte powder, which is a staple in my beauty routine because my skin is on the oily side. And in full size, it retails for $44, so I think it's pretty good value and it will last me a while too. I also got some high-end skincare samples here, like this hyaluronic serum by La Roche-Posay and 2 moisturizers by Believe, the Aqua Bomb and Moisturizing Balm. These are super popular among skincare bloggers here on YouTube, so I was excited to try them, and they're pretty expensive on full size, so it's good to try them in a small size and really get a feel of whether they work for me or not. Now, some fun makeup items I got a couple of things by Floss, a brand I never heard of before, but actually really liked both products. The first one is this pink eyeshadow. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it's just so pretty. It's not too bright, not too shiny, not too sparkly. It's such a nice wearable pink, and it looks so beautiful. And also this pink lip gloss is a staple in my beauty routine. It goes with any makeup. I always carry it in my purse. It's such a nice creamy nude pink. I'm also also wearing it right now on my lips, and it just goes with every makeup. And it's a bit sticky, but I actually don't mind it. I think it lasts better because it's sticky, so I really enjoy using this product as well. I also got this mascara by Larizzi, another brand I've never heard of before, but it's a pretty basic everyday mascara. It's waterproof, but it's not too dramatic on the eyes, so it's another staple for my everyday makeup. And by the way, it looks like these two products were made on the same factory, even though they're completely different brands. That's interesting. And finally, I have a few skincare minis. These two are clay masks that I haven't tried yet, but I have oily skin, so I like to use clay masks once in a while to clean out my pores, so I really look forward to trying these. And I also got this mini polishing peel by Perlice. It's basically a scrub with the tiniest beads ever. They feel like sand on my skin, and it's just so good for gentle exfoliation and removing any small dry flakes of skin and any textural issues on your face. And now I'm going to show you some examples of products that I didn't like. So as I mentioned before, I'm not really a nail polish user, but I already got 3 different nail polishes in 3 separate boxes, and I gave away one of them, but I kept these 2. I love these nude colors. They're perfect for every day, but they just don't last so well on my nails, so I don't end up reaching for them. And another product that I got was a nail and cuticle oil, and I usually just don't bother with this product, even though it has very good ingredients, a bunch of organic oils and whatnot. But for me, a regular moisturizer for my hands is enough to moisturize my nails and cuticles as well, so I usually don't even reach for this product, and it's just collecting dust on my drawer. I also got 2 chapsticks like this in 2 separate boxes, and while a good lip balm is definitely a staple in my beauty routine, it's just such a boring product to get in a beauty box. You don't sign up to a beauty box to get a basic chapstick. It's just not fun. A product that actually really disappointed me is this loose eyeshadow by Medusa's Makeup, which is another brand I've never heard of before. The color is called Mystical Eye Dust, and it looks like a charcoal color with some sparkles in it, and it could be pretty, but when you apply it to your eyes, all of the sparkles just fall out and you end up with grayish looking eyeshadow, which is not that pretty. So I guess you need a special glitter primer for this eyeshadow, but it's just so much work to have to buy a separate primer just for this eyeshadow, so I think I'm just not going to use it. Another strange product is this whipped cleansing cream by Skin & Co. It's made in Italy and it retails for $35 in full size, so I guess this is good value, but it's just such a weird product because when you look at the ingredients, it looks like a moisturizer. It has a bunch of oils in it, but when I wash my face with it, it just leaves my skin feeling like there's an oily film on it, and I have oily skin already, so I really don't want this to clog my pores, and I don't really like using this as a face wash. So maybe this is good for dry skin, but for me it just doesn't work, so I'll give it a second shot and I'll try using it as a first step cleanser to remove my makeup, because oil should be good for that. But overall, I don't really like this product. These are obviously not all the products that I got through Topbox, just a few examples so you can see what it's like. And now I'm going to summarize the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself if you want to try it or not. So in terms of pros, it's definitely fun to get these boxes every month and try new things. And even if you don't like every single product that you get in your box, it's still exciting to discover new brands and new types of products that you haven't tried before. And if something doesn't work for you, you can always give it away to your family or friends. The second reason I like Topbox is because you get to try a lot of different brands that you wouldn't otherwise try because they don't carry them at Sephora or your local drugstore, like smaller local brands or international brands. I know for myself, I discovered a lot of great products just because of this box. And finally, I think it's good value for what you pay because there are usually a couple of full-size products in every box, and they also include some high-end brands. So if you add up the value of everything you get in your box, it's going to be more than what you actually paid for it. So now for the cons, and the first one is that you obviously won't like every product that you get in your box, and some boxes will be more disappointing than others, and that's one of my biggest issues because although it's good value financially, some of the products you get are not the products that you would actually buy given the choice. So overall, I think it's a fun box to try and it's pretty good value, but I'll actually be canceling my subscription after June because I'm trying to declutter my beauty collection. I realized that I have too many products and I just don't have the time to use them all up. So I'll cancel for now and maybe renew in a few months once I actually use up some of my existing collection. I hope this video was helpful if you're considering Topbox. Let me know in the comments what you think about this subscription, if you tried it before, or if you know about any other monthly boxes that you can recommend. If you enjoyed this video, please support me with your likes and follow my channel for more, and I'll see you next time.